Have you ever lost your mind in Las Vegas and gambled away a little bit too much? Last time I was there, my partner actually got cut off by his bank. So hopefully that won't happen to you, but you can actually deduct your gambling losses, so that's a little bit of good news. I'm Kristen Brand, and I want to talk to you about how you can deduct your gambling losses. Now, the hardest part about this is you've actually got to keep records of your winnings and your losings. You can only deduct your losses to the extent of what you win. So you've got to at least have some income to offset. You can't just take that loss against all of your other things. There's actually a spot on your tax form, which is on Schedule A of the Form 1040. Your gambling losses will go down here at the bottom under Other Miscellaneous Deductions. So that's where they would go. Now the key is to actually not lose so much money. So you should quit while you're ahead. I'm Kristen Brand, and that is how you deduct a gambling loss.